Let me start my contribution with acknowledgement of Honorable Simon Power, who has worked very hard as a Minister of Justice and kept us busy in Justice and Electoral Committee. The national government is committed in providing legal assistance to the people who have insufficient means. This bill principally reforms the legal aid system. Dame Margaret Wesley's review of legal aid system in 2009 found that legal aid system identified that there were inadequate processes and serious delivery issues and therefore threatened the future viability of the system. The clear message was that it was time for fundamental changes. These changes will provide an effective legal aid system that supports the wider justice sector. The legal aid system helps to uphold the principles of and access to justice and equality before the law and natural justice, which helps to build and maintain public confidence in the legal system. This bill includes a number of measures to improve the competence of the legal aid system. The Legal Aid Review Panel will also come for review. It affords many New Zealanders to access justice, enabling them to defend themselves and impose their basic rights. It is cornerstone of our justice system. The part 2 of this bill deals with the legal aid may be granted to who are entitled and who are not entitled for legal aid system. For example, we do not want to encourage those people who are unlawfully in this country and abuse the system. Anyone who is involved in any immigration case under Act 2009, Commissioner may not grant legal aid if the person is unlawfully in New Zealand under the terms of the Act. Mr. Chair, to the date, the legal aid system is facing real challenges, both in terms of increasing expenditure and quality of legal services funded through the legal aid. This bill shows that Simon Power, Minister of Justice, has acted speedily to address the issues identified by Dame Margaret report. We are confident this package of changes will help build more confidence by the public that the legal aid system will provide quality service for those who need it while giving taxpayers value for the money.